Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight.
I am at London's world-famous Kew Gardens. This UNESCO World Heritage Site has over 50,000 living plants.
Give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found.
Mark Quinn is a London-based visual artist. Born in 1964, Mark's art practice encompasses sculpture, painting, and drawing.
Quinn is fascinated by orchids, their beauty and rarity. 5 sculptures based on orchids can be found in different locations across the gardens. 4 are stainless steel, while Burning Desire, situated in the shadow of the Great Pagoda, is a striking bronze.
A thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden.
Mark Quinn has long since been interested in the connection between nature and humanity. Inspired by the Kew Gardens, he has developed these artworks in collaboration with Kew scientists and horticulturists.
5 sculptures were inspired by Kew's herbarium specimens. Each one represents a plant that is used for the treatment of certain diseases.
He connects with art history while drawing from nature and science.
Scientists have found that they can be used for the effective treatment of diseases such as Parkinson's and some forms of cancer. Bonsai are plants that have been pruned in a certain way to maintain their small size. Quinn imagines 2 bonsai set free from this pruning and containment to reach their full monumental height.
At the center of his practice is the multifaceted experience of being a human.
3 remarkable palms grace the front of the palm house. Event Horizon towers over the palm house pond, flanked by Singularity and Singularity. Quinn worked directly with Kew horticulturists and scientists to base these plants on palms found in the palm house.
Think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own.
Spectacular view of the palms, the pond, and the palm house.
Don't miss the iconic glass houses at Kew Gardens. Travel the world as you immerse yourself in a multi-sensory experience.
Kew's iconic glass houses: the Temperate House, the Palm House, the Water Lily House, and the Princess of Wales Conservatory. Discover more of Kew's unique collection of plants.
So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows.
Kew Gardens Great Pagoda was completed in 1762 as a gift for Princess Augusta, the founder of the gardens. It was one of several Chinese buildings designed for Kew by Sir William Chambers.
At Kew Gardens, you'll probably smell the roses before you see them. Meander through the paths and enjoy the roses in bloom.
The mission of the Royal Botanic Gardens, Kew, is to understand and protect plants for the well-being of people and the future of all life on Earth. RBGQ is a scientific, conservation and education-based charity. They work with partners around the globe to generate nature-based solutions to climate change and biodiversity loss. Shop in Kew or shop online for plants. Gardening tools and gloves. Seeds and seedlings. Pots and planters. Nature themed socks and scarves. Pop-up displays and cards. Floral kimonos. Jams, honey, chutneys and relishes. Cushions and pillows.
For more fashion and lifestyle content like this, stay subscribed to who else but Learn with Samita. Check out related videos in the cards and on the end screen. This is Samita signing off. Till next time, bye for now. Stay sustainably fashionable.
Every purchase from the Kew shop helps fund vital research and conservation work. Children can participate in science workshops, and you can participate in silent disco. Indulge in jazz and classical music. Take a wine walk or explore theatre on Kew.